Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will make almond protein shake. This shake will provide a boost of protein, antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acid, which makes it a best choice for a healthy breakfast. Ingredients: 1 glass almond milk, 1 tablespoon chia seed and 1 tablespoon almond butter. Put all the ingredients in a blender. Blend together for few minutes until it gets smooth and consistent. Benefits: almond butter is made from almonds and contains nutrients such as healthy fat, proteins and minerals that help in the production of red blood cells, which are responsible for transporting oxygen through your body. Almond milk is a high source of protein which helps to keep your bones, cartilage, skin and hair healthy. Chia seeds are considered to be superfood as it is high in protein that will benefit your bones healthy and density. If you like this video, so please hit the like button. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel.